In this video, I will show you which fuses to check if your Ram 1500 pickup accessory outlets are not working. So, let's go ahead and get started. In the 2011 to 2013 Ram 1500, you'll have 4 fuses used for the various power outlets, and all of the fuses are located in the engine bay. So here they are. The power outlet number 1 fuse is responsible for the front outlet nearest the driver's side. The power outlet number 2 fuse is responsible for the center seat outlet. Both fuses do not receive constant power, so these outlets are only on when the truck is on. Next, for power outlet number 3, the fuse is responsible for the instrument panel outlet, which receives constant power. In the fuse spot number M5, you can find the AC inverter fuse. So, if your truck has the 115-volt power inverter, you'll want to check that out. In the 2014 to 2019 Ram 1500, you must check that 5 fuses are in the engine compartment. So here are the fuses that you need to check. The power outlet number 1 fuse is for the front power point or the cigarette lighter. The power outlet number 2 fuse is responsible for the power outlet in the rear seat. Next, the power outlet number 3 fuse is for the outlet in the instrument panel or center console. There is a special service power outlet in fuse spot number F39, and that's what it's called in the diagram. This blue 20 amp M-case fuse can only be found in the 2015 to 2019 models. If your truck has the 115-volt power inverter, check the fuse in fuse spot number F38. In the 2020 to 2023 Ram 1500, you can find the power outlet and USB fuses in the cabin fuse block. It is located under the driver's side instrument panel. So here they are. You can check the fuse number F54 for the power outlet at the top of the center stack. Then you can find the front and rear USB fuse in fuse spot number F43. You can check the fuse number F48 for the wireless charging pad module. If you have an issue with your 115-volt socket, you can check the inverter fuse in fuse spot number F60. So there you have it. I hope this helps, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.